So for our day traders, guess what? If you look up here, we have a rejection, not once, but one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. We have a lot of rejection from up here at that 413 area. At this point, this could be considered a double top. If you really want to say, I see an M pattern, right? Okay, so if you see an M pattern, that's great. Here you go. Starting up. There's your first top. There's your middle. There's your second. That means this is coming down too. That would be actually in accordance to what I would want to happen for me personally. Now, one thing you'll notice is that it is actually already broken this trend line. This will be the trend line that is from October right here in this area. So this is when that bear market bounce started. It actually has closures already outside in the daily. So if you're a daily trader, you may be interested in looking at that and seeing where you might want to take some profit. All right. Now, with that being said, once again, do your own due diligence and be careful in the markets. There is a lot of fundamental news that may affect your trade. So always be on top of your fundamental and your technical. Okay. So thanks a lot for stopping in with Stock Shots. That was our shot at a stock. If you have one, let us know. We'd be happy to do a breakdown of it and have some conversations. Thanks. Bye. All right, welcome to another episode of Stock Shots. I took a couple weeks off to deal with personal stuff. It was been nice. I'm feeling great. So let's get into this episode. We are talking about the SPY on the weekly. Now, 2 weeks ago, we were in this specific area right up here. I was looking for entries in the puts. I actually had positions down here thinking that things were going to continue to go down. They didn't. And that's okay. I still have those positions open at this moment. But I am not telling you to buy, sell, trade, or hold anything. I am simply giving you my opinion based on what I've seen in the past and what may happen in the future. Now, with that being said, I hope the information that I present will prepare you for any situation that may come up. All right, so let's get to the point. What's going to happen? No one knows. That's the thing. No one knows what's going to happen. So at this point right here, I was thinking, hey, all right, if it continues to go on this trend line here, we may get to this gap, right? Right here. I may get to a gap, fill it, and then continue down. Why? Because I'm still going in pretty much the same pattern. Now, what this is could be considered, in my opinion, a bull rally. And it was a really good one. So it was a lot of opportunities here to make money. I hope you did. At this point, is the bull rally over? So let's talk about why it might be and why you may be ready to put some puts in. All right, so here's the thing. At this point, we have a lot of rejection from this area up here around the 413 area. Okay, coming down, we are right now at a specific area that we marked up in the beginning of this channel, and that was right here. That's the 394 area. So probably right now we're at 396. This is only a support area at this moment. To look for more confirmation, you would have to see what happens next week. But right now, based on the rejection from here, we have a close of a candle that is now below this trend line from our our bear market bull bounce. It seems like we could be ready for a re-entry into this channel right here. Coming right back in here and to continue down to maybe even the 363. I personally would love that. It would make me very happy. But hey, can I say it's going to do it? No. All I can say is I'm just looking at a chart and I see a break of a trend line, a close below it, rejection above it. I'm thinking, hey, in my opinion, I might get back in and put in some puts. But that's my opinion. Whatever you do is up to you, but make sure you do your own due diligence. Remember, I'm trying to get to the point so you can take your time no matter where you're at. But just take a look, do your own due diligence, research. Remember, whatever you hear, see, or watch on the internet, make sure you do your own research. It's all up to you. This is your money. But in my opinion, I'm looking for a good entry. I want to see how next week goes. And if I have a slight pullback, I may enter into the downside. But that's just me. So With that being said, thank you for tuning in to Stock Shots. That was your stock at a shot. And if you are a daily trader, hold on. There may be something for you. So let's see what we got.